Hello and welcome to this installation video and review for the Olixar 2-in-1 Samsung Galaxy S9 screen protectors. I'll be showing you how to successfully apply one of these fantastic protectors using a Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus in the video today. However, if you are using the S9 version from Olixar, then you'll be able to follow this process too, as the installation method is exactly the same. Firstly, you'll want to make sure that your device is fully cleaned and ready for the protector to be applied. You can do this quickly and easily with the provided cleaning accessories in the pack. You'll be able to remove any small dirt particles often left by fingerprints and used in and out of pockets. You'll then want to wipe the phone down with a microfiber cloth so as to dry the phone ready for the final step. Now that the phone has been cleaned and dried, you'll then need to use one of the provided dust removal stickers. Just as the name suggests, this handy sticker quickly removes any final dust or dirt from the screen surface, leaving you with a well cleaned display that's ready for the protector to be applied. To apply the protector, you'll want to remove the first top tab like so. This will reveal a small section of the adhesive, allowing you to quickly position the protector around the phone's camera and sensors. Once in place, simply smooth down with your thumb like so. Then take the soft card and press firmly down on the top section and lift the bottom of the protector up until at 90 degrees from the display. This will then allow you to push out the underlying protective film, thus adhering the adhesive side to the phone as you push forward. Once that step has been completed, you'll then want to smooth the protector down with your thumbs and the applied card, paying close attention to the sides and the bottom edge. Once happy, you'll then be left with the simple task of removing the protective cover. You may see the top section lift up slightly due to the amount of cutouts around the ports. To prevent this, simply wedge the soft card to create a gap, pushing down the adhesive protector while the top layer is peeled away. If any bubbles persist, then you'll need to use the soft card to push them out towards the edges of the phone. This will then leave you with a well applied protector that's just as responsive as the phone was without it. As with all screen protectors, we do recommend turning on Samsung's latest feature designed specifically for screen protectors. Simply go to your settings, then advanced features, before scrolling to the bottom where you'll find the touch sensitivity setting. You'll want to turn this on, as this makes using screen protectors even easier by making your phone more sensitive to light touches without taking away from its overall experience. The protector once applied guards well against light scratches and scrapes. It's certainly no glass screen protector, so large drops could still be an issue, but the reduced thickness compared with glass options does have its advantages, as the applied protector is almost invisible and works perfectly with cases. Furthermore, the in-hand feel is exceptional when compared with other film-based screen protectors. Usually this style has a clingy, noticeable touch, but the Olixar protector instead replicates the feel of the screen, again adding to the fact that after a while you'll barely notice the protector is on at all. The great thing about this pack is that if you do get any stage wrong, or if the protector does come away over time, then you can repeat the process, as Olixar have included another protector in the pack so that you can ensure your phone is well protected at all times. Overall, a top choice for any S9 or S9 Plus owner looking to offer some additional screen protection without the need to compromise on the look and feel of their phone. If you would like to know more or even purchase these twin pack of protectors, then I'll be leaving a link in the description below.